So today we're going to be talking about how to take out block and tackle window. And one of the tools you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. And so you're going to look at the window and you're going to try to see if there's takeout clips. And the takeout clips help engage the balance so you can actually take the sash out. So the takeout clips are up here and here. And you're going to take your flathead and you're going to slip it underneath and you're going to pop them both. So once they're sticking out, you're going to open the window and slowly bring it up to the takeout clips. And you're going to evenly push it up, making sure that the balance is engaged into the takeout clip. And now you're going to be holding the whole weight of the window. Push the window over to one side and slowly take the sash out. Now you're going to see the balances here, and they're just secured with the takeout clips. So now you're going to push the balance down, and there's another hook at the bottom. So you're going to pull that out, and this is the block and tackle balance. So then you're going to find your new balances, and you're going to take the hook, put it in the hole over here. So that's secure on the bottom. Push the balance down and engage it in the takeout clip. Now you do both sides, and I'll take the sash. You're going to want to push the sash up over the bottom guide of the balance. Push the window in and slowly bring it down over both balances. And then push it down, lock the window, and you're good to go. And you got to remember to push in the takeout clips. And now the window can operate. So that is how you take out block and tackle balances.